Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Camera Reaction. How you guys doing today? So I'm back again, guys, with the group SB19. I've been having issues lately with reaction videos to them getting blocked, so hopefully this won't get blocked. This is the MAPA MAPA performance at the Killian 2021. So please don't block this. I really do want to react to SB19. I really do like this group. I'm such a fan of them. Come on, Pablo, Josh, Tell, Ken, and Justin Bieber. I gotta get behind it. Okay, with the live vocals.
Mama, kamusta na di na? Tayo laging nagkikita, miss na kita sobra.
With the drama.
Lagi na lang kami ang nauna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata. Sa tuwing mundo'y
the visuals, love it.
Kaya huwag mag-alala, ikit ang iyong mataganan. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na.
I am loving this.
Papa, naaalala mo pa ba?
Yeah.
Nung ako'y bata pa, di ba?
Come on with the camera turn.
Yung hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo. At hanggang sa dulo, magkalayo man tayo. Ako'y tatayo, pangako.
He is singing live. Yes. Ken. Y'all know me, I love me some Ken. Okay, Pablo, love this haircut on you. They better sing live for their life. Beautiful. That was nice. Oh, we came such a long way. Come on, Pablo. Come on, Star, close us out. Close us out, close it out. Sickening. Sickening. That was MAPA SB19 performance. Sickening. These boys came to sing live vocals. We came such a long way, guys. We came such a long way since I've been reacting to them now for a year now. I've been doing this YouTube channel for a year now. Wow. Actually, today make a year. I've been doing this YouTube for a year now. It came such a long way. I could hear the improvement with their voices, with their performances. SB19, I'm here for it. We came such a long way. I'm here for it. Good job, guys. Good job. I love it. So I'm back. Hopefully YouTube won't block this. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, did I say as always, who can do you besides you? Bye.